Need to fix thread sign-in error? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to Safari. In the Safari, in the address bar, search for thread outage. Now head over to the very first site. In this page, check whether the server of Thread app is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In that case, wait for the server to get fixed. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is head over to your application thread. Once opened, close the application and refresh the app. Sometimes refreshing the app might also help, or else move into settings. Inside settings, head over to general, move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application thread. Once you're in this page, click on offload app and once again tap on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.